Hello and welcome back to another Glass of Bubbly video. My name is Oliver Walkie, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Prosecco Mai Tai cocktail. All you're going to need is some Grenadine, pineapple juice, orange juice, rum and Prosecco. So let's get started. You're going to want to grab 50 mils of your rum. Now he recommends spiced rum, so that's up to you. I'm going with spiced rum myself because I am a fan. You'll pour that into your cocktail shaker. After that, you're going to want to get 75 mils of orange juice. Just put 50 in one side, 25 in the other. And then you want to do the same with your pineapple juice. Pineapple juice is so nice, it's really delicious. And adding it into a cocktail, it's a win-win for me. 75 mils into there. And then to finish off the cocktail shaker part is 10 mils of Grenadine. Pour that into there. Now, just need to add a few ice cubes and you are ready to shake. This lovely cocktail shaker is available at VonShef.com. Just a few seconds on there. It's lovely. It's very, very secure. There's no fear of it breaking apart. So now with your shaken cocktail, pour it into your glass. Just keep the ice cubes in there to keep it cool. And now I'm just going to top up with your Prosecco. This is Astoria. It has a lovely bottle design. It truly is amazing. It's got a nice A on the front as well. And it's got a lovely cork. There we go. Lovely Astoria on there. So now we're just going to top up with your Prosecco. Lovely.